Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the FindUs phone number tracker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. FindUs phone number tracker is a mobile tool designed to help users identify caller information, view approximate phone number locations, and manage unknown or spam calls. The app typically offers features such as number lookup, caller ID detection, and location-based insights to give users more control over incoming calls. It is available on both iOS and Android depending on region and may require certain permissions like access to contacts or location to function accurately. The app's main feature is its phone number tracking interface. Users can enter a number to check basic details such as region, carrier, or caller type. Many versions also include spam identification, call blocking, and real-time alerts for suspicious activity. Some builds provide map-based visual tracking, offering a general area associated with a number, though it is not exact GPS tracking of a person and should not be interpreted that way. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its ability to flag unwanted callers, identify unknown numbers, and reduce spam interruptions. The simple interface and fast lookup process make it convenient for people who frequently deal with unfamiliar calls. For parents or business users, the quick caller identification provides peace of mind and improved call management. However, there are some drawbacks. Free versions may include limited lookups, ads, or reduced accuracy, with advanced details often locked behind a subscription. Number databases may vary by region, meaning results are not always consistent. It also relies on internet connectivity, and the app can only provide general location information based on registered carrier details, not live tracking. Some users may find this less precise than expected. In summary, the FindUs phone number tracker app may be worth using if you want an easy way to identify unknown callers, block spam, and view general number information. However, if you are expecting exact real-time tracking or do not want to pay for premium lookup features, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.